May nagpadala ng shirt sa atin. Tara, buksan natin. This shirt is from Yohaku Kudo Zenith or YKZ na lang for short. Short story time lang guys. So, nakita ko yung YKZ first time sa Stance Pilipinas Bridgetown meet. Meron dong Mazda 3 na super ganda. And binidyohan ko yun eh. Tapos dun ko na unang nakita yung YKZ. Hindi ko pa nakikilala si Boss Eman. So, shoutout to you, Boss Eman. Yung nagpadala ng shirt na to. Originally, akala ko talaga all this time, ang YKZ is an all Mazda group. Nag-evolve na sila. Open na ngayon sila for other brands. With that, they have celebrated it with a shirt release. Syempre, pag shirt, iba-ibang taong magsusuot na ito, iba-ibang builds. So, hindi lang Mazda, pwede makasuot na ito. Hindi na ibig sabihin pag YKZ Mazda. So, it's more on the community na talaga. So, what is Yohaku Zenith or YKZ for short? So, Yohaku means finding beauty in clean and uncluttered builds, while Zenith means peak of style and passion. So, pag pinagsama mo yun, it means artistic and minimal styling sa kotse. So, you can already see the Japanese styling cues pag YKZ build, 'di ba? So, let's check the shirt. Unang-unang sa lahat, nakita ko yung collar niya, medyo makapal siya. Parang around 1.25 inches to. So, medyo tight siya on the neck part which is a mock T. This is a size medium. Guys, hindi siya white. Parang siyang cream white. Then sa likod, ano kaya to? Like silk screen, okay? So, silk screen. Silk screen is always a good sign. Baby sumo wrestler ba to? O baby Japanese guy na may wheels dito. So, nakalagay sa likod, Yohaku Zenith. What's next? Wheels, exhaust, or selling my kidney. Papaisip ko talaga dyan, boss. And then, sa harap, simple lang, logo ng Yohaku Zenith. Ang design pala nito, pangalan niya is the Thinker. Tapos may woven label dito sa baba, Yohaku Zenith logo, and some free stickers. Gloss finish. Thank you so much, boss, for sending this one.